Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to sign up for Rediffmail. Rediffmail is a web-based email service provided by Rediff.com. It allows users to send and receive mails in many Indian languages on Microsoft Windows. In order to sign up for Rediffmail, go and click open your web browser and in the URL box type in www.rediff.com and press the enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Rediff.com. Now, go and click on Create Account at the upper right corner from the home page in order to sign up for Rediffmail. You'll end up in the next page where you'll need to enter your information, enter your full name in the first text field, and choose a Rediffmail ID on the next. Now, click on Check Availability to see that the ID that you chose is valid or not. If the ID has already been taken by someone else, then you'll receive this kind of a message in red. You can also choose a new ID from the suggested IDs from the options below. Simply click on one of the ID that you would like to choose and move on to the next field. Create a password that you would like to use for the account and retype in the password on the next field to make sure that you've typed in the correct one. Make sure both of the passwords in your password boxes matches. Remember to include these criteria mentioned at the right side of the password boxes. Your password must contain 6 to 12 characters. It should include both upper and lowercase characters in the password, and the password must contain numeric characters as well, along with special characters. It should not contain any username or first name or your last name that you have mentioned earlier. And move on to the next field. Type in an alternate email address that you'd like to use just in case you forget your password later on. You'll receive a link to the email address that you are typing it right now. You can also click on this box if you don't have an alternate email ID right here. Instead of that, you can go ahead and choose a security question and an answer, but I would like to use the alternate email address option. Type in the email address that you'd like to use for an alternate and go ahead and select your country from the drop-down. Type in your phone number on the next field. The reason you're being asked to type in your phone number is that if you forget your password, you can recover it with the phone number via text message. Now, select your date of birth from the drop-down, choose your gender from the next option, select your country, and enter the text that has been shown in the display. Once you type in the text, click on Create My Account. Now, on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter the OTP that has been sent to your mobile number. Check your SMS and you'll be able to receive an OTP. Type in the OTP in the text field and click on Verify. And you have registered for Rediffmail successfully. Now, all you need to do is enter your information by choosing from the drop-down, select your occupation next, and you can choose to receive daily news from Rediffmail in your inbox. To do so, click on this box. If not, leave it unchecked. Enter. Finally, click on any options to answer your question. For example, let me type in I own a credit card. Now, finally, click on Go to Inbox, and you have been successfully signed up for Rediffmail account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.